how to make $200 from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you a method that will allow you to make from $200 to $2,000 per month, depending on your discipline and your perseverance and your commitment. So guys, basically the method is you're going to go to Google Maps, and here we're going to search for local businesses, and it's preferably to look for the small local businesses in the United States. Then we're going to check their profile in Google Maps, and we're going to search or look for the problems that they have in their profile. For example, we will see if they have any bad reviews or if they don't have a website, and we will try to pitch them or to convince them to remove those bad reviews for them and also to make a website for them. So guys, you will not need any skill in order to do this job, because we will just outsource the work for the freelancers. So for example, here, if you want to remove the bad reviews for a business and you got paid $200 to do that, you will just go to fiverr.com or any other freelancing platform that you would like to use. So here you will just come to freelancer.com, and then you will go to the search, and you will search for the freelancers that are doing those services. For example, this one who will do a Google Maps business optimization, ranking, and Google Maps citation for local businesses, and you will hire him for $25, and then you will have $175 left for you to put in your hands or in your bank account. So guys, I'm going to show you how you can find the perfect businesses to pitch or to send your offers to. So here, let's choose a state or a city. For example, let's go with Kansas City, which is in the Missouri state. Here, let's go to Kansas. Let's zoom in on Kansas. Then let's go to the search, and let's search for different businesses. For example, let's go with plumber, and here let's see all of the plumbers in this city. So here we have True Blue Plumbing LLC. So guys, make sure to avoid all of the businesses that have 1,000 reviews or more, or 100 reviews or more. Just focus on the ones that have less than 100 reviews, because those are the small businesses that we can reach out to and that we have a high rate response in them. So here we have Stain Nicholas Plumbing. He has 106 reviews and 4.8 stars. Let's check this one's profile to see if we can find any bad reviews in here, or if you can see if we can renovate their website. So here, let's check their website. So it looks like the website is up to date, but we will wait for it to be loaded. As I said, it's an up to date website. As you can see, it's well put together, and here we have their socials. You can also check their Instagram and their Facebook page to see if they need someone to manage their social media accounts. That's also a service you can offer for them. So here, this is their Facebook page, and they have more than 1,000 likes and 1,000 followers. And these are their posts. Let's check their Instagram as well. Let's wait for it to load. So this is their Instagram, and it appears that they have someone managing their Instagram as well. As you can see, you have these icons that's made by someone professional. So I think they have a team for marketing, but let's see if they have any bad reviews that they would want to get rid of. So here let's scroll down and let's go to view more reviews, and let's see what we can find in here. 5 stars, 5 stars. I think they don't have any bad reviews, but we will just keep looking until we see one. And if we can't find any bad review, we will just move on to the next prospect. So here it's all 5 stars. Let's scroll down. 5 stars. So it's all 5 stars. And here we have the other business has more than 3,000 reviews. 500, 2,000, 104 reviews. Let's check this one as well. And this is another prospect which has only 43 reviews. It's not this one. I wanted to click on this one with 104 reviews. Inception Plumbing. Let's check their website to see if there is something to improve, and it looks like their website is not even working, so that's something we can pitch them. And here, by scrolling down, let's see if we can find any bad reviews. 5-star reviews. Click on more reviews to see. And here it's only 5 stars. 5. So I think these ones as well don't have any bad reviews. So we'll just pitch them the website service. So you can just go to their number and cold call them for creating a website for them, and make sure to build a great offer that they can't refuse or they can't reject. And then we have this business as well, and this one will definitely have some bad reviews. As you can see, we have some 1-star review, and that's what you're going to use in order to convince them to purchase your service of removing bad reviews. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.